Hi, and welcome to a quick primer on DSRP, Simple Rules for Complex Thinking. Humans are complex, and each one of us is unique, yet we all have something in common. We all think. Now, what we think about may be very different, but there are a few simple rules that are universal to all thought. These rules are called DSRP. Distinctions, systems, relationships, and perspectives. These foundational elements can be thought of as the rules, patterns, or building blocks of all thoughts and ideas. Now let's consider each one individually. First up, distinctions. This is a cheeseburger, and this is not a cheeseburger. When we make distinctions, we define barriers between what a thing is and what a thing is not. Anytime we identify a thing, we also identify its other. Let's look at another example. This is a horse, and these are not horses. But we can also make distinctions based on number of legs, or who eats meat. Notice that the dog, horse, and human can all be grouped together or apart, depending on what distinctions we decide are important. Next, everything is a system, and all systems are made up of wholes and parts. This cheeseburger is a system. It's made up of parts. We can think about the cheeseburger as a system of cheese, meat, bread, and other ingredients. But then we can even take it a step further. Each one of those parts can also be thought of as a whole with its own parts. And this can keep going. We can also move in the other direction. The whole cheeseburger can be a delicious part of this complete breakfast, which in turn can be a part of a person's diet over time. Third, we have relationships. Relationships describe interactions between things and are composed of actions and reactions. Here's a mouth and a cheeseburger. The mouth acts on the cheeseburger by eating it. The burger reacts by being eaten. It's important to understand that this relationship is a concrete thing, just like the cheeseburger and mouth are, and that understanding this relationship helps us to understand both the mouth and cheeseburger at a deeper level. Finally, perspectives. We can look at the point of a cheeseburger from many different views. A restaurant owner could view the cheeseburger as a product used to make money. A doctor could view a cheeseburger as a health risk for a patient with heart disease. And I view cheeseburgers as a beacon of light in an otherwise gloomy world. Each one of these views changes the cheeseburger into something completely different. So there we have it. When we understand DSRP, we are better able to understand our own thinking, which helps us to solve problems and engage with the world on a deeper level.